welcome to the video. Today we're going to be playing around with some hair extensions from GOO GOO Hair. Now if you haven't heard of them before, I have actually used these before, and I will pop up some pictures of me wearing extensions from them. This is from like a year ago and such. I loved my GOO GOO hair extensions until my dogs ate them. I left them out and then my dogs thought it would be fun to eat them. So I'm actually really happy that GOO GOO Hair reached out and was like, hey, you want to try them out? And I'm like, yeah, I love you. I will love to try out some more hair extensions because I literally love your hair extensions. It's real human hair, all of that. I'm going to have their website linked below. So we have some more here. It might not be like super matchy, but that's because your girl needs her hair redone. And I can also tell you that your girl's gonna have these hair extensions put up somewhere where dogs cannot get them. So we have like things that talk about them, how to take care of them. They have tape-ins, they have sew-ins, they have clip-ins, they have whole hair pieces. They have so much to offer, and if you are interested, I do have a discount code. Let me look it up real quick. You can use code Connor15 for 15% off for one piece, or Connor18 for 18% off of two pieces, and I'll have my link below so you guys can go check them out. But I do love these hair extensions. I got the 22-inch platinum blonde. I should have probably went with the ashy tone because I do go more of, you know, an ashy hair style. But here we have the blonde. Oh yeah, I should have went with the ashy for what my hair looks like right now, but like I said, I'm about to get my hair redone, so it's not gonna matter here in a little bit. These are super soft. Unlike other hair companies that I've gotten hair from, this is by far the best and the only one I would ever recommend or want to do a video on or want to promote, because these are actually so good. I never experienced hair coming out of the sewn in pieces. I've never experienced hair melting, even though they're real hair. You can style these, you can curl them, you can straighten them, you can crimp them, which was something that I always like to do because it helped bring even more volume to my hair. Reason why I started wearing these over a year ago was because of the fact that I wound up being allergic to red meat. I got alpha gal from a tick bite, and my hair, I lost so much hair that when I was going out in public, I was putting my hair extensions in. When I was going like to a party or going out with family, I was wearing the hair extensions because my hair was so thin, and it really did save my mental health a little bit because I had these, and then the platinum blonde that I got last time matched my hair, so it didn't look like weird. But then again, like I said, I need to get my hair redone, and there's a lot more like color in it, like brown, than I normally do. So these are gonna work so well for me here in the next, I think probably month. I'm gonna go get my hair done. So I'm gonna just show you guys how to put these in, which I've been wanting to try these out, the longer ones, because before I had 20 inches, but that's because my hair is a lot shorter, and now I keep my hair longer, so I got the 22 inches. So I'm just going to show you how to put them in. That's a lot of hair for one clip, right? It's going to really give a lot of volume. So I like to start with the 4 clips in the back, and you don't have to go like super crazy with sectioning your hair. Once you start trying them out, you're going to get more of a feel on how to apply them. And another reason why I never wanted to do a video like so quickly on my last extensions that I had is because I didn't really know how to apply them. It took a little bit of finessing with my hair, especially because my hair was so thin, because I was constantly losing my hair, that I'm like, how do I hide them and stuff? But since I have figured it out, it's a lot easier. So basically what you want to do is have a good thin section. I really hope you can see me. You want to have a really good thin section of hair back here that you're going to want to apply your clip-ins, which this is I got clip-ins. I feel like these are the easiest ones because, you know, you can put them on, you could take them off. You don't have to worry about sew-ins, having to get them, you know, pay money to have them sewn in and stuff. And I feel like these are just, when you're wanting to feel a little bit extra, you can feel a little bit extra. So you just open up the clips and then you put it down into your hair. It's kind of pretty much self-explanatory. It's just how your hair is and like where you want to apply them. But I like to just push the hair down into the clip like so, and then clip it shut, push it down, clip it shut, get that hair on the bottom, clip it shut. A lot of people will tease their hair, and I find that to just be horrific because, like, I just feel like teasing your hair is insane, and these clips hold really, really well. See how much longer it is than my natural hair? It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, I can't wait for these to match. These are gonna match in like a month because your girl's gonna get her hair done. Oh, and it covers the nipples. That's my favorite. Okay, so then I'm going to take a little bit more hair and I'm just going to put like a very, very uber thin layer over. I probably should have sectioned it off just so this process could be a little easier and quicker, because I'm just doing kind of like a little impromptu how-to video, but I've done this so many times in the past that I kind of have my own routine, and I can feel like how much hair I should have, because you don't want it to be like super uniform and perfect, but you want it to at least be kind of the same groove, if you will. So yeah, I have a little bit too much hair that I've lit, so I'm just going to kind of section a very thin piece to go over. Then I'm just gonna clip that extra to the top with the GOO GOO hair clip that came with the extensions. We have some more hair pieces here. We have a couple 3 clips and some 2 clips. So here's a 2 clip. I'm going to set this to the side. I have another 2 clip. I'm going to set this to the side. And then I have 2 3 clips. So I'm going to apply this just over top of that hair, but I'm going to make sure it's like right behind my ear. Because unlike 4 going across, we're doing 6 pieces going across. So you see how I'm over here, which is nowhere near even on my head shape. So it's going to overlap and be a little bit thicker in like the middle portion by like, you know, a good clip. But it's actually okay to have it a little bit more thick in the middle, because typically people have more hair like in the front. So like you weigh your hair and you have like your curls or whatever on the front, and you have less hair in the back. So if it's thicker in the back, it looks a lot nicer. So it's not like you have so much hair in the front and just a little bit hanging out in the back. It kind of evens it up at the end of the day. So now I have all of this together, nice and flat, very in there. It's why I'm very impressed with how good these clips just stay. Like, they clip and they cling on for dear life, okay? So I'm going to take the rest of this hair. I'm going to pull it down. It's a good thickness. It's a little like messed up right now, but it's a good thickness. So I'm going to take my 2s, open up my clips. I'm going to bring my hair forward here, and I'm actually going to apply this on the sides, because you do have that thickness, that extra thick band in the middle, so you don't have to worry about applying that one directly to the back, because you already have that overlapping thickness. Okay, so these are in. They're sturdy, they're flat to the head. I'm going to let down all of my hair. I know this looks so crazy considering like I'm ashy. I should have picked the ashy ones. I should have. Okay, so taking the top part of my hair about right here, because you don't want it to be anywhere close to the front of your hair. You want it to be a little bit more towards the back where you have that one set right here. And we have some one clips. And I call this like my underneath money piece, if you will. So we have one clip here that I will put here. See? And that one is one that will really bring all of it to the front of your hair. And then nobody's going to see the clip because it's, you know, further back. But it's also facing towards the front. So again, open the clip. Put it in there. And voila. Now we're not going to talk about the back because my hair is a little messy. But here's the hair extensions. Pretty self-explanatory. Look at all this hair. Like, this is so much hair. Look at all this hair. It almost does kind of give an ombre effect and match. Again, I wish I would have went for the ashy ones instead of the platinum. But it kind of all kind of goes in together as if I have highlights. So, you know. Anyways, I'm going to give you guys some YouTube shorts here in the future. I just really wanted to get this video out for you guys of me like actually applying them like to the back of the head. I don't have any help right now to do it where I can have somebody like actually hold the camera and watch me do it to make sure it looks good. But I am going to have like a full application YouTube short / TikTok and Reel and on Facebook of me applying them to the entire head up close and personal as a step-by-step tutorial in short form. But anyways, thank you GOO GOO Hair for sending these to me. I love these extensions. They're literally my favorite, and I've tried several brands. Don't forget to use my discount. Look, you can do like a side pony and it's nice and thick. We love. Anyways, thank you so much for being here and watching. Thoughts and opinions down below. If you've ever tried them, definitely let me know. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.